This durable, high-performance off-road trailer blends luxury with extreme capability. Featuring an insulated composite body and self-leveling air suspension, it conquers rough terrain easily. With massive solar power, lithium batteries, and full bathroom amenities, it's the ultimate off-grid expedition vehicle. Love camping but miss hot showers? The Hike Crew Pump is a lightweight, propane-powered lifesaver. It heats water to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for dishes or bathing, featuring a handy digital display and auto safety shutoff. At under 9 pounds, it's the ultimate portable luxury for any adventurer. Built from tough, weather-ready polymer, the Easy Dome is a cozy, leak-proof sanctuary that stays comfortable year-round. 2 people can snap it together in under an hour, making it perfect for weekend camping, a backyard studio, or even urgent disaster relief housing. Stay clean anywhere with these eco-friendly compressed wipes. Just add water and they expand into soft cloths, perfect for hiking. Made from 100% biodegradable viscose, they're tough on grime but gentle on sensitive skin. Meet your new favorite camp kitchen. This modular Kickstarter box organizes your gear with adjustable trays and snap-on tools. It sets up in under a minute, giving you a sturdy prep station for cooking anywhere. Rugged, stackable, and portable, it's ultimate outdoor efficiency. The idea behind Cow P1 is simple. Burn gas, get electricity. This lightweight, 4.96-pound generator is perfect for camping or emergencies. It delivers 1 kilowatt-hour per canister and features a high-efficiency solar panel. With its rugged, waterproof build and built-in battery, it safely powers your gear in any extreme weather. Bugbeater 2.0 is an outdoor chair that swaps sticky sprays for a built-in bug net and UV canopy. With a 350-pound capacity, onboard cooler, and backpack straps, it's the ultimate cozy, pest-free retreat anywhere. One theory proposes that the hammock may have originated in ancient Greece, but modern designs like the Animoca stand make relaxing easier than ever. This lightweight, foldable aluminum frame sets up in seconds, letting you lounge comfortably anywhere. No trees required. Even the lightest gear can strain your body on long treks. Why carry that weight when you can roll it? The monowalker shifts heavy loads to a single wheel, saving your back. It's tough, German-engineered, and makes hiking feel effortless. Why buy a trailer when you already own a Volkswagen multivan? Let our experts turn your van into a cozy 4-person camper. With a queen-sized roof bed and clever slide-out kitchen, you get maximum comfort without losing space. It's the perfect stress-free upgrade.